Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Today in this online class session of accountancy, I will explain you a question based on the topic when partners don't desire to record revised value of assets and liabilities and leave reserve and surplus undistributed. Okay. When the partner decides so, then whatever things are to be kept undistributed or are to be kept unrevised, then those things are to be distributed in accordance with the change in PSR. Means you need to calculate the effect of change in PSR, and in accordance with the change in PSR, whatever result you will be getting, that is sacrifice or gain, on the basis of that the things which are not to be revised or undistributed, those all the things are to be treated in accordance with so got sacrifice or gain share. Right. So first of all, what we need to find out in these type of questions is sacrifice or gain of the partners. And sacrifice or gain of partner can be calculated on the basis of the formula. You can see here, new ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. Right. Now, on the basis of one practical question of D.K. Goel, question number 42, I will explain you this topic. See question number 42 of D.K. Goel. Right. This is question 42 of D.K. Goel. Right. See the last lines of the question. Partners do not desire to record the revised value of assets and liabilities in the books. Okay, revised values are not to be recorded in the books of the firm. They also desire to leave the reserve and surplus undistributed. Okay, so all these things, okay, revised value of assets and liabilities, reserve, as well as one more thing, see here, goodwill. Okay, all these three things are to be distributed in the sacrificing or gain share of the partners, which will be calculated on the basis of this formula, new ratio equal to old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. Here in the question, okay, you can read out the question and to put the figures in the formula, new ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. You need old ratio and new ratio. OR means old ratio and NR means new ratio. The figures related to these OR and NR are, you see, L, M and N are partners sharing profits and losses in equal proportion. Means old ratio was equal. 1:1:1 here. Okay, 1:1:1 means 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 was the earlier ratio, the profit sharing ratio between L, M and N. Okay, now further let us see the new ratio. The partner decided that with effect from 1st April 2016 they will share profits and loss in the ratio 4:1. This is the new ratio. Okay, just subtract these two, you will get the sacrifice or gain of different partners, of these three partners. L sacrifice equal to L old 1 upon 3 minus L new 4 upon 7, you will get minus 5 upon 21, means L is gaining. M sacrifice or gain is 1 upon 21. It is coming in positive figure, means this concerned partner is sacrificing, and the third partner N result is also in positive figure. Okay, means he is also sacrificing. Okay, already I explained you that while passing the journal entry, the gaining partner's capital is debited and the sacrificing partner's capital is credited. Okay, the similar thing while passing the journal entry, the similar treatment has been done by me. L's capital, the gaining partner's capital, is debited by me, and M and N's capital is credited by me because these two partners are sacrificing. Okay, right. Now what you need to do is, first of all, you need to find out the profit or loss on revaluation of assets and liabilities. Okay, right. Already I explained you the procedure of preparing the revaluation account. The increase in assets is shown on the credit side and the increase in liabilities is shown on the debit side, and vice versa. Okay, let us see the question. In the question, what is happening with the assets and liabilities? Provision already I explained you are the liabilities. Provision for doubtful debt be increased by 2000. Liabilities increasing will be shown on the debit side of revaluation account. Okay. Now, second, stock be appreciated. Stock is an asset. Will be shown on the credit side because it is increasing by 20%. Take 20% of stock. 1,80,000 into 20% will be 36,000. Show it on the credit side of revaluation account. Now, fixed asset be depreciated. Depreciate means to decrease. Assets are decreasing will be shown on the debit side. Take 10% of fixed asset. 22,000 will be the answer. 2,20,000 multiplied by 10%, it will be 22,000 rupees. 22,000 rupees. Okay. So now the fourth one, creditors. Creditors are the liabilities. Be taken at 49,000. See the earlier figure on the liability side of the balance sheet related to creditors. It was 58,000. Means creditors, the liabilities are decreasing, will be shown on the credit side of the revaluation account. Already I told you 9,000 rupees. Subtract the two sides. You will get 45,000 on the credit side of revaluation account and 24,000 on the debit side of revaluation account. Subtract the two totals, you will get profit on the debit side of revaluation account 21,000. This profit for 21,000 is to be distributed in accordance with the change in PSR, plus one more thing, goodwill, as well as one more thing, reserve and surplus. Reserve and surplus is 42,000. See here. Again I am reading the same line which I read in the beginning. Partners do not desire to record the revised value of assets and liabilities. Because of revised value of assets and liabilities, what happened? There was a profit on revaluation, 21,000. This was not to be distributed. Okay, right. Reserves were also not to be distributed. It was 42,000. Plus one more item is there, that is goodwill. Okay, you need to calculate the goodwill. These three items effect will be shown in the books on the basis of change in PSR. When we need not to show the effect of anything, or when the partners decide not to distribute anything among themselves, then all the things are distributed in accordance with the change in PSR only. Okay, right? And the same thing we have done. 21,000 rupees profit on revaluation, reserve and surplus 42,000, and goodwill amount which is calculated as per the instruction of the question we need to calculate goodwill at 2 years purchase of 4 years average profit. 4 years profit given in the question is, just see, 20,000 rupees loss, means it will be shown on as a negative figure. 48,000 rupees, 60,000 and 80,000. These were the profit or losses of the 4 years. We have written average can be found by dividing the number of years profit by the same number, that is 4 years profit is given in the question, divided by 4, you will get 42,000 rupees. And for calculating goodwill, we have to multiply average profit of 4 years by 2. The result which we will be getting is 84,000. This is the value of goodwill. These three amounts indicated by number 1, 2 and 3 will be added with each other. We are getting the answer 1,47,000, and these three figures total 1,47,000 will be treated in accordance with the change in PSR. ठीक है? With the change in PSR, L's capital account will be debited because he is the gaining partner. 1,47,000 multiplied by his gain. M's capital will be credited because he is the sacrificing partner. 1,47,000 minus multiply 1 upon 21 his sacrifice. Similarly, 1,47,000 multiplied by sacrifice of N's capital, 28,000 rupees. These two partners M and N are sacrificing, and therefore their capital is credited. Okay, so keep in mind, when we need not to record the revised value of assets and liabilities, need not to distribute reserve and surplus among the partners, then what we need to do is we have to find the change in we have to find the effect of change in PSR, and in accordance with the change in PSR, the partners' capital are debited or credited. ठीक है? That is, the gaining partner's capital is debited and the sacrificing partner's capital is credited. Okay, right? So this was the solution of the question number 42, and after this you try the last question of DK Goyal 44. Okay, that that was the end of the chapter. Okay, 44 question you try yourself, and if any problem is there in solving question number 44, you can ask from me. From tomorrow I will start a new chapter, admission of a partner. Okay, that's all for today. YouTube video link will be shared by me in the class WhatsApp group. Go through it repeatedly, you watch the video. Okay, have a nice day.